Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's video going to be about ratios. You know that in many genetics problems we work with ratios, or we would be given different numbers of, say, wild type, for example, fruit flies and mutants, and this can be different problems about breeding of the plants, and we can get also different numbers in F1, F2 generation. So basically the first step would be to find ratios, so then you can solve the problem when you understand what ratios of genotypes or phenotypes. So today's problem is the ratio of red flowered plants to white mutant flowered plants in greenhouse is 3 to 5. If there are 8 more white flowered mutant plants than red flowered, how many plants total in a greenhouse? As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. Before I will show you how to solve this problem, here is a first hint. Imagine that we have some ratio, for example 9 green to, say, 11 blues. So it can be anything. And now imagine we have some absolute numbers, for example 18 and 22. And this is going to be the same ratio. Basically what we have done here, we just multiply 9 by 2 and we multiply 11 also by 2. So now those we have here different numbers, but ratio is going to be the same. Or for example 27 and 33. Once again we have ratio 9 to 11, but this time we multiplied both sides by 3. So no matter those here is different numbers than we have here, ratio would be the same, 9 to 11. So now when we already know this, we can solve this problem. Basically we even don't need any formulas or anything, we just can use simple logic because numbers are here small, and as you see we have a ratio of 3 to 5. 3 stands for the red flowered plants and 5 stands for the white flowered plants. And we know that there are 8 more white flowered plants than red flowered plants. So let's apply the same logic that I used here to these ratios. So here is going to be red flowered plants and here would be white flowered plants, and our ratio is 3 to 5. So difference between 3 and 5 would be 2. What if we multiply both sides by 2? Then here we are going to get 6 and 10. Difference would be 4, and we are looking for difference 8. So let's check. If we multiply by 3 both sides, then once again we would have the same ratio. Here would be 9 and here would be 15. So 15 minus 9 would be 6, and we are looking for difference of 8 more white plants. Let's try again. 3 and let's multiply by 4 each side. So 3 to 5 the same ratio, but this time let's multiply both sides by 4. So we are going to get here 12 and here we are going to get 20. 20 white flowered plants and 12 red flowered plants. As you see, we would have more white flowered by 8 more white flowered mutant plants than red flowered plants, and total number would be 12 plus 20 would be 32 plants in the greenhouse. 12 of them red flowered, 20 of them white flowered, so we would have 8 more white flowered plants, and we are going to have the same ratio, 3 to 5, and total number of plants would be 32. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.